In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DaVinci Resolve unsupported GPU processing mode. If you launch Resolve and see a red banner about unsupported GPU processing mode or get sluggish playback, it usually means the app can't talk to your graphics card using the right compute framework. We'll lock in the correct settings and make sure your driver supports the required version. First, confirm your GPU driver is up to date. For NVIDIA cards, use the Studio driver. For AMD, use the Adrenalin software. Recent releases include support for CUDA 12.3 and newer, which Resolve expects. Updating removes a lot of compatibility warnings and improves stability, especially after a Resolve update. With your driver current, open DaVinci Resolve and head to Preferences, then the Memory and GPU section. This is where Resolve decides how to use your graphics hardware. By default, it runs in auto mode, which can misdetect the best processing path, especially on systems with both integrated and dedicated GPUs. Next, turn off auto for the GPU processing mode. This gives you manual control. Choose CUDA if you have an NVIDIA GPU, or choose OpenCL if you're on AMD. Picking the matching option ensures Resolve loads the right libraries and avoids the unsupported mode error. Now move down to GPU selection, turn off auto here as well so you can explicitly pick your device. Make sure your dedicated graphics card is checked. On many laptops and small desktops, you'll see both an integrated GPU from the CPU and a discrete GPU from NVIDIA or AMD. Selecting the discrete one tells Resolve to render and decode on the card that has real acceleration and more VRAM, which directly improves playback and export times. When you're finished, click Save, then restart DaVinci Resolve. The restart reloads the GPU modules with your new settings, so the change actually takes effect. When Resolve comes back up, the unsupported GPU processing mode warning should be gone, and your timeline should feel more responsive during scrubbing, color grading, and fusion work. If you still encounter the message, it typically points to a driver that didn't fully update or a GPU that doesn't meet the feature level required by your Resolve version. In that case, double-check the driver package and version, then repeat the same settings after confirming the install. That's it, you've set Resolve to use the correct processing mode and the right GPU for a faster and more stable editing experience.